Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and welcome you to a new video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video we're going to see the new kind of update which we're getting in the OnePlus 6 devices and in the OnePlus 6T. This is the update to the Oxygen OS 9.0.6 into the OnePlus 6 devices. So watch this video till the end so we are able to know that what kind of update you are getting in this and whether it is a successful update to your OnePlus 6 device or not. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So this is my OnePlus 6 device in which I have received the latest OS Oxygen update to 9.0.6, and to go to for this update you need to go to settings over here. Once into settings you need to go to systems, and over the system you need to go to system updates. So over here you can clearly see that over here it says that OnePlus 6 Oxygen OS 9.0.6 and this update is of 948 MB. So right now I'm just starting with the download right now. So as this download is progressing, we can see that the Android security patch is now to May 2019. General bug fixes and improvements, Bluetooth, support quick pairing of Bluetooth Wireless 2, improve stability and compatibility of Bluetooth, and fixed issue with ringtone for SMS, and fixed issue with speed dial getting cleared. This is the major issue which the many users are facing, and on the Twitter we have seen that many users have already complained about this speed dial issue. This has been fixed in this Oxygen OS update of 9.0.6, and the fixed issue loading credentials required Wi-Fi requiring logging. So while you are logging into the Wi-Fi, it has many times asking for many users again and again the credentials for the login to the Wi-Fi network. This all issue has been resolved over here, but the main issue of the speed dial getting cleared is being fixed in this update of the Oxygen OS 9.0.6. So the device has been updated over here. Let me just show you. Over here, as you can see, it says the system has been updated. System was successfully updated to OnePlus 6 Oxygen OS update. And let me just confirm it to you. So here are the updates which have happened right now. Let me quickly go over the settings over here to show you that it has been successfully updated. So over here you can see the Oxygen OS version 9.0.6, and moreover if you go over here you're able to see the Android security patch level to 1 May 2019. Moreover, speed dial issue has been fixed. So it's a good thing that all of the things have been fixed right now with the speed dial, and within the camera I've not been able to see any sort of difference, which is the major thing in the OnePlus, that the camera should be updated. So this is the update which we are getting with this Oxygen OS 9.0.6. So you have seen the update, a major update in the speed dials that is getting erased, now is being fixed. Plus you're getting the Bluetooth more stronger right now if you collect it with any sort of your Bluetooth devices, whether it is a headphone or just a normal earpiece. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you all in the next one.